What would it be like to find the perfect place to live? A place where time slows down enough for you to take it all in, to breathe. And every sunrise feels like a new beginning. A place where history has roots and yet is contemporary, connected, and full of warmth. Nestled in the heart of South Carolina's oldest inland city and built in 1846, 1218 Mill Street is the perfect blend of history and modern comforts. The home has been renovated with meticulous attention to detail and exquisite craftsmanship. A home like no other. Inside, tall ceilings and heart pine floors conjure up stories of the past, while modern touches make life easy and effortless. It's a home that feels timeless. This is not just a residence. It's an experience. Imagine waking up in a home steeped in history. To be here is to feel connected to the past, to the land, to something real. This is life beautifully lived. Camden lies in the heart of South Carolina and is rich with Revolutionary War history, and celebrated for its equestrian spirit and steeplechase traditions. It's a town unlike any other. Here, beneath the canopies of old oaks and among graceful historic homes, lies a place of charm, beauty, and timeless Southern elegance. So what would it be like to find the perfect place to live? Maybe it's right here, where history, community, and home come together. The perfect place to call your own.